Yes, we have Mitsubishi Outlander. Today's video, I will show you how to remove this door handle and the door panel. Let's start. First, we need to remove this cover and this one. There is a screw inside. And then we will pop up this cover. First, we need to go here. This area. See? It's coming outside. Then you need to open this one. Here's the lock. There's one screw inside. Now we will remove the screw. Now we will try this door panel using this pry tool. But before we continue, we need to first remove this one. We need to just pull it like this. Or you can use prying tool to insert this inside. And start prying the clip. Okay. There's a clip inside. Now we're gonna start lifting up. The cables, the wire socket that connecting these switches, also the power window switches. Okay, so we already removed the door panel. We need to open this one, so we will have access to the wire socket of this door handle outside, because there's a switch. Remove this one and then get the one. We need to remove this one. There's a T30 inside. And to remove this socket, wire socket. Access inside. We need to unplug this socket connection for this one, and then we need to unscrew this T20, and then we can now remove the door handle outside. Right there. We remove first this. Okay. Let's try this one. Okay. Remove it. This lock. You can press this one, but it's open. Yes, you can. This is open. Plug now and then this one. Now we will unscrew the third screw here inside. Now we will unscrew now using T30. Okay, we will peel it. Already loosened, totally loosened. Remove this cover. And then just, I can show you, just pull backward. Stabilization. Already remove the door handle. I will show you now how to fix it back. Now to fix it back, we need to pull down this lever. You see this one? So this one, I'll show you. You need to pull down. Yes. And then you will push back the door handle. I will show you. First, to put it back, cut inside the one, and then pull down the lever that I show you before. Push back. Push back. Push back. Make sure that this key, this key cover, and then tighten this one, and then finish. Thank you for watching. The same process. Just need to open this one. Okay. This is the cover, and then I need to pry this. Okay, with the door handle, same process.